Cloud mining is an innovative way to earn cryptocurrency without the need for expensive hardware or technical know-how. Essentially, it allows you to rent mining power from a remote data center, which means you can participate in the mining process from anywhere in the world. This is particularly appealing for those who want to get involved in cryptocurrency but may not have the resources or expertise to set up their own mining rigs. One of the standout features of many cloud mining platforms is the ability to join a mining team. This team aspect can enhance your mining experience and increase your potential rewards. By pooling resources with others, you can benefit from shared mining power, which often leads to higher returns. Plus, being part of a team creates a sense of community and support, which can be invaluable in the often volatile world of cryptocurrency. So, how do you join a cloud mining team? First, you'll need to choose a reputable cloud mining platform. Look for one with positive reviews, transparent operations, and a solid track record. Once you've selected a platform, sign up and create an account. This usually involves providing some basic information and verifying your identity. Next, explore the team options available on the platform. Many services allow you to either create your own team or join an existing one. If you're starting from scratch, think about the type of team you want to build. Consider factors like the size of the team, the mining goals, and the level of commitment required from each member. If you're joining an existing team, take the time to communicate with the team leader and other members to understand their strategies and expectations. Once you're part of a team, you'll typically need to contribute a certain amount of funds to start mining. This investment will go towards purchasing mining power, which is then distributed among team members based on their contributions. Keep in mind that the more you invest, the higher your potential returns, but also the greater your risk. Speaking of risks, it's crucial to remember that cryptocurrency investments come with inherent volatility. Prices can fluctuate dramatically, and there's always the possibility of losing your investment. Make sure to do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Diversifying your investments can also help mitigate some of these risks. To further enhance your knowledge and stay updated on the latest trends, consider joining a private group focused on cloud mining and cryptocurrency. These groups often provide valuable insights, tips, and resources that can help you navigate the complexities of the market. Engaging with experienced miners can also offer guidance on best practices and strategies for maximizing your rewards. In summary, joining a cloud mining team can be a rewarding venture if approached with caution and knowledge. By selecting a reputable platform, actively participating in your team, and staying informed about the market, you can enhance your chances of success in the exciting world of cryptocurrency mining. Remember, the key is to stay engaged, keep learning, and always be mindful of the risks involved.